Hi everyone. In this we will see the muscles of the intrinsic muscles of the hand. I will touch the muscle, we can see the label. So this is abductor digiti minimi, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digiti minimi brevis, abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and adductor pollicis. One more muscle you should know is OPPONENS pollicis, which is not shown in this. So we have seen already flexor digitorum superficialis. From the flexor digitorum profundus tendon, lumbricals muscles arise. So these are the profundus tendons from which the lumbricals arise. First and second lumbricals are unipennate, third and fourth lumbricals are bipennate. You can see the insertion of the flexor digitorum profundus, how they divide into 3 digits, so that the first the side 2 digits are inserted into the middle phalanx and one slip is inserted to the distal phalanx. Palmar is longest tendon which gives rise to the palmar aponeurosis. You can see the insertion of the flexor digitorum superficialis. You can appreciate the muscle is present in the front of the forearm, and only the tendons are coming for insertion in the palm of the hand. If you think these muscles as a whole come to for insertion to the palm of the hand, how big our hand will be. So you can appreciate how it is modified. Only muscle is present in the front of forearm only, and the tendons are coming for insertion in the palm of the hand. So this is the flexor digitorum profundus muscle again. This is the palmaris longus muscle again present in the front of forearm. And this is the flexor digitorum profundus muscle again present in the deeper part of the front of forearm, and the tendons are coming for insertion to the palm of the hand. So only the interossei muscles are not shown in this. Interossei means in between the 2 bones. So if you remove all these intrinsic muscles of the hand, in between the metacarpals we have the palmar interossei and dorsal interossei. So I hope you have understood this intrinsic muscles of the hand.